Hey YouTube family, this is Lance from Lance's Auto Vlog, and I'm back with a new video. Today, I should say it's not even today, it's a project we're working on. I got this 1990 Honda CRX. Oops, Honda CRX. Red, just got it out of the paint shop. Red, had a aftermarket stereo system in it. It's in good shape. It's got good wheels on it. It's got some nice wheels on it. And what we're going to do is a full system on this car. I would say truck, but it's a car. And I've already started by taking out all the existing wiring. I took out all the wiring they had ran originally, which they had basically had an amp behind this there with all the wiring there. You can see there's some RCA's. They also had the powered sub or something. So I took all this, the glove box out, the center console, to get everything out of here. They had some wiring going from here into the hole they created here. So I pulled all that out already, and then I ran new wires through the factory grommet. So everything's ran through here, back through the factory, so you can't even see it. It's really nice. It came out nice. And as you can see, most of the stuff was already moved. So what we're going to do is we're going to deaden it. I started deadening it already. Deaden all the door panel. I ran some wires for door lock actuators because we're going to put some actuators in here too to lock and unlock the doors here. So we're going to deaden it, get all that wiring done, get this thing situated for new speakers, and then we're going to do a setup in the back as well. So got to get to work. Catch you on the other side. So I'm back. We got most of this door done with deadening. We got the inside of the door deadened on here. Got the outside. We got the door lock actuator we added so I can lock and unlock it with the aftermarket alarm. Looks pretty good, not complicated. I still got to put the door panel on and then put the speaker in and figure out that part, but other than that, it looks pretty good. I'll show you that when it's done.